Just like that. Y'all missed the whole little shebang. I couldn't get it for y'all, but let me get a little sneak peek. Look. Hold on. Y'all see? That's what my glasses did last time. In that pit. Yeah. And said, look at me. Look at me. Man, that happened early this morning. Man, they playing with me early. Boy, I was so hot this morning. It's all over my face back there. Man, look at that. I think I took a bath in that stuff, man. I thought I was gonna melt. Lord mercy, man. What y'all doing, man? What's up? You hear me? Your boy gonna be in his uniform every day when I'm in this thing. So you about to get used to it. Uniform Shamal. Call me. Uniform Shamal. Let me give me a dummy for y'all. I don't know, I'm gonna give you a dummy for y'all. Hold on. Last box of the day. Your boy about to dump in and go to the crib. You already know what it is, man. Look. It's been a long day so far, bro. I ain't gonna lie. At Halloween, really don't feel like being here. So I'm tired still. I don't know. I've been tired lately, bro. Oh, shit. Something happened with my damn truck. Hold on a second, y'all. You gotta walk on, man. This one you gotta walk on. Hold on. This is let me turn it around for you. You gotta get up here and walk up there and get that. Let me get this stuff here. Hold on. Yeah, boy, beast. That bitch did not want. I think it did not want to come out there. Hey, hold on. That bitch did not want to drag out there. That's usually drag out there. Man. So I'm gonna try to get it hooked on this, so I can drag it out. That's what I usually do, but that thing ain't dragging today, boy. Right now, the last one, give me run for my damn money. I'm trying to go home. Dude, leave, man. Come on, do right. Hey, right. Shoot. Man, I'm back here. I'm finally at home. I was gonna show y'all. I had recorded. I was gonna show y'all this, but I'm not gonna show y'all because I don't want y'all knowing certain things. So, but I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I'm trying to get home, right? Park the truck and all that stuff. Man, picture why people blocking the whole parking lot off. Now, you know, the whole parking lot off. The whole park, like the road to go to the rest of the back of the apartments. It's already small back here already as it is. It's a whole U-Haul, right? Now, I ain't got a problem with you using the U-Haul. I'm just saying, you could back up all the way to the stump and let me pass, or you could, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's no way around. And then looking at, you know, man, look. Positive on it. I'm just saying. I just want to let y'all know that sometimes I feel like people do things because they feel like they got the. I don't know. People just do things because out of spite, you know. But anyway, moving forward, bro. I'm still dirty, still filthy. You know what I'm saying? Today Halloween, man. I'm about to go take my chicken to somewhere out. I don't think we're going trick or treating because I don't really believe, you know, that is my own thoughts on that with people and how people act. Like I said, people just scares me, you know. And so look, I'm gonna start uploading videos 4 times a week, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm gonna do 2 trucking videos and 2 other videos. I mean, other videos mean anything. But for sure, I'm gonna give y'all 2 trucking videos a week. And I'm gonna try to do Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That's my days. Because I be trying to do it every day and I can't. I just can't. So, get this video tonight. I might be off of this video right here, but other than that, Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Y'all know what it is. Oh, man. Stay tuned, man. You know what it is. Stay tuned and stay safe, man.
Why you don't put no tennis shoes on? Why you always in slippers? Crawl, mama, crawl. You got to pick up. You got to carry away to both of y'all. Why you always put slippers on? Why you not put tennis shoes on?
Remember, slide down and don't jump.
She's scared. She's scared. Hey.
I didn't expect me to mess with this local stuff. Look. You wanna see? I took a bad in it, damn now. This shit come out the door, man. I'm like, man, look. Boy, that's the start of this video. Look at me. Look at me. Man, god damn. Over. On my way home. When I get home, I'm gonna show y'all how I really look. You know, get a real picture of it, man. Somebody asked me a question, I'll ask y'all a question. Oh, I'm gonna just talk to y'all about it. Y'all, I'm gonna put the video out. I'm gonna be a whole long video. 2 things. Anyways, do y'all think that local drivers? Some people don't think that local drivers work hard. Some people feel like over the road drivers work harder than local drivers. So what do y'all think? Do y'all think over the road drivers work harder, or do y'all think local drivers work harder? And let me know in the next clip under the comments. You know what I'm saying? Let me start driving.